Matongoretio ni seneta wa Nyeri Ephraim Maina, mubunge wa Kieni Kanini Kega na mubunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua nimoritie Aikari oothe a mwena ucio na aria maumite nja mahimbirie urumwe hatari guthutukanio kiuteti. Nimaugite kaunti ya Nyeri ina mihiriga mingi ya andu kuuma miena itiganite na nimagiriirwo guikarania na thayu.
From all tribes in Kenya, we made an assurance during the general election on the 8th. We are also making reassurance to them that nobody will be victimized, nobody will be uprooted from where they live. We are civilized people, and we have given them the freedom to choose whichever candidate that they want.
Hamwe noguo nimoritie Aikari a mwena uyu manyite mbaru guthurwo ringi kwa Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta.
We voted 86,000 people for the president. We want to up it to 95. And we are up to it, and we are going to do it. And we are going to be very aggressive. And I'm already appealing to the business community, and they are responding.
Magika githurano ona githurano giathira tugakorwo na thayu na gukorwo tukiuga ati Kenya ni tukwenda tuikare turi andu amwe na bururi uikare uri o kindu kimwe.
Nimaugite nimehariirie kumathira Mutongoria wa bururi kura mena mwihoko wa gukaiukia uhotani. Oho nimoritie a Kenya iturine ciothe cia bururi guthingatithia thayu na urumwe.
Na riu tuhete Kenya government.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.